Welcome to VitillaSports.com/Facebook. We're here recording right now, and as you can see, even women can play Vitilla. As you can see, Miss Brenda here has just hit 2 Vitillas, and now she's missing now that she knows she's being recorded. And this timeout is brought to you by Chevy Trailblazer, cutting our game off and going into his parking lot.
That's ghetto.
Visit VitillaSports.Facebook to get your orders today. As you can see, it just hit the car, did not even damage it at all. And there's another one. It hit this nicest plate. Let's see if the owner come out.
There you go.
As you can see right now, Mr. CEO, very proud of this product.
Ah!